What's up, everybody? This is Tony with Alternative Living Spaces, and standing in front of a 20-foot shipping container that we just finished. It's a one-trip high cube. So this container has very minimal dents, really good condition, and as a high cube, it's actually a foot taller than standard height containers. So this container is 9 foot 6 inches tall. It's going to be going to Oregon, and the client's going to be using it basically as an additional dwelling space. It's going to go in their backyard. And that way, if they have guests over or family members, they can stay inside. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. This one actually has 2 really large windows in it, as well as 2 really large doors. So on this back end, we have the large sliding glass door. You can also see the container doors here, which can actually cover it. So that comes in handy just for kind of security purposes, but also functions as a way to access the unit. And then coming around to the front 20-foot side, this is actually the main entrance. So shout out to a company that helped us make some cool little metal logos. So check those out, right? But over here we have our Outswing French door. And so this is a 6 foot wide by 6 foot 8 inch tall Outswing French door. So this will really be your main entry. It's got the key entry on here. As you walk in, let me take my shoes off. All right, as you walk in, this space is a little bit unique. The client is actually going to be providing their own kitchen right here. So we kind of marked out where the studs are. They'll be installing their cabinetry. On this end is the bathroom. So you can look there. You got your modern sliding barn door. As you open it up, if you want to just go ahead and walk right in, you'll see in there we have our vanity, our toilet, and our shower. Yeah, went with kind of like a natural look right here for the vanity. Everything we usually do, we'll do black fixtures, hardware, things like that. Tile flooring, and then the shower is basically like a metal corrugation with matte black fixtures in there as well. And then coming this way, basically this is going to be kind of like the living room / bedroom space. So it is a 20-foot container, so you have to be really creative with how you use your space. So they're going to end up putting their sofa right here. It'll basically be a sofa bed, so living room during the day, bedroom at night. And then on this side, they'll have their TV mounted. And really what I love about this unit, probably the thing that stands out to me the most, is just the amount of glass. So everything from French doors to sliding doors to large window up there. So this is literally a 10-foot wide window. It's a triple pane slider. So 3 panes of glass and 2 of them slide. So you get tons of airflow and really does allow you to capture the views. So this unit is a little bit unique. It doesn't reflect one of our standard models. This was a little bit of a creative build, but really excited with how it turned out. If you want more information about our tiny homes, you can visit us online at alternativeliving spaces.com. Thanks for checking this out.